This morning, the SPYs are up a little, not a whole lot, 591. The question is, will it fill this gap prior to Nvidia? Nvidia comes out after the close. Everyone's like, Red Dog, what are you doing with Nvidia? Okay, well, I started buying the 152 halves prior to last week when the stock was hovering around 148, thinking we get a pre-earnings run. So when we came off into Monday, what did Red Dog do? Red Dog bought more than 152 and a halves for like 2.25. And I even told you guys, I said Nvidia has big support at 137.60. I gave this number. Like it was almost like I gave you tomorrow's newspaper today on Monday morning. But anyway, into this area because I was buying thinking we can get above 152. That happened. I averaged down to 2.25. And yesterday I was selling some of those 152 halves close to 3.75. So it's almost like they gave you a nice move prior to the print. And now today's the print. I've posted so many different things you can look on the Twitter about revenues, about Blackwell, about this, about that. Bottom line is in order to go higher, get above 149.76 at this point. Nvidia is up 25 cents. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to take the rest of the 152 halves off just because it's too close. Like I'm not worried about missing a $5 move or $7 move, $5 move in Nvidia. I might go a little higher. I might create a call spread. I'm not exactly sure. I got to figure it out. These earnings plays with options, if you do 10 of them every earnings season, 2 or 3 of them, you make 5x, 6x, 7x. But most of the others are like you break even. It takes your mind off the trade in the morning. You lose all of it. And I just want to get through it so then we could trade in active sequence without worrying about big binary events. But anyway, this is your key. If you're trading after hours, it's got to get above and stay above 149.76. Some are thinking that the measured move is like 8%. If it comes in, this is the 50-day 132. Recently, most 100 days have been holding. So you want to write down some support areas. Like if all of a sudden, if it's like in line, right, and not enough, and not super duper duper duper, it might be trading down to 125. What I always do is I map it out going into it. And right now, I'm just giving you the cocktail napkin version. I'm not giving you the sophisticated numbers. Here you go. So this would be some support. There's your 200-day. And if it gets above 149.76, it can go. Thank goodness we had a nice 2-day move letting us out of our play that we thought would happen.
Sign up for Scott's free newsletter by scanning a QR code or clicking on the link in the profile bio.